Adam opens his eyes. It is Monday morning. The sun is warm. The sky is blue. Adam looks at the clock. It is 8 o'clock. He smiles and says, "Good morning. Today I want something special. I want a good cup of coffee. Let's go to the cafe." Adam gets dressed. He walks outside. The street is quiet. The air is fresh. He stops and looks at a sign. He says, "Ah, there it is, the Blue Cup Cafe. I love this place." Adam opens the door. He walks inside. The cafe is warm and cozy. There is soft music playing. Adam breathes in deeply. He smiles and says, I love this smell. Fresh coffee in the morning. There is nothing better than this." Adam walks to the counter. A young woman is standing there. Her name is Sarah. She smiles and says, "Good morning. Welcome to the Blue Cup. What can I get for you today?" Adam says, "Good morning. Can I have a coffee, please?" Sarah says, "Of course. We have black coffee, we have coffee with milk, and today we have a special honey latte." Adam says, "Oh, a honey latte? What is in it?" Sarah says, "It has coffee, warm milk, and a little honey. It is sweet and smooth. It is very popular." Adam smiles and says, "I will have the honey latte, please." Sarah says, "Great choice. Your name, please?" Adam says, "My name is Adam." Sarah says, "Perfect, Adam. Please take a seat. Your coffee will be ready soon." Adam sits near the window. He looks outside. People are walking. A dog is running happily. Adam feels calm and peaceful. He says softly, "I love mornings like this. Everything is simple. Everything is beautiful." 5 minutes pass. Sarah calls out, "I am so sorry. What was the name? I forgot to write it down." Adam stands up and waves gently. He says, "It's okay. It's me, Adam." Sarah says, "Oh, Adam, I am so sorry. Here is your honey latte. This one is free. I am very sorry." Adam smiles warmly and says, "Sarah, please don't worry. You are working very hard today, and this coffee is absolutely delicious. Thank you so much." Sarah smiles warmly and says, "Thank you, Adam. You just made my morning better." Adam says, "Good, because your coffee made my morning better too." Adam sits back near the window. He holds his warm coffee cup. He takes a sip. It is sweet, it is warm, it is perfect. He smiles and says, "This is a good morning, a very good morning." Now let's learn some words from today's story. Word 1, cozy, warm and comfortable. Word 2, fresh, clean and new. Word 3, popular. Many people like it. Word 4, patiently, without stress or rush. Word 5, crowded, full of people. Did you enjoy this story? Do you like coffee or tea? Tell us in the comments. Click subscribe for more stories with Adam. See you next time. Bye.